Hey y'all, it's your girl Twan. What up, what up, what up? Hey. Okay, so here with another DIY thing today. I wanted to do a face mask that you could do at home. It's a really good face mask for your skin, but it's also a really good face mask to boost your confidence and to just uplift your spirits. So yeah, let's get okay. First, you're gonna need some honey. Get this from the grocery store. Need some lemon juice, some cinnamon. Put it like in a little crate. Like I said, I will let you know where you can get this from. Link will be in the description. But yes, some cinnamon. You're also going to need some turmeric. Link will be in description. Yeah, and you're probably gonna need one, like a little plastic cup. I mean, if you don't mind using a regular cup, it's just that turmeric stains a little bit, so you might want to use a plastic cup. And then also you're gonna need like a little brush or something, like maybe a makeup brush if you're a painter, a paintbrush, so that, well, maybe not a paintbrush unless like you haven't used it before, because you're gonna need it to like paint it on your face. I mean, unless you don't mind getting it on your hands. So, yep, let's get to it. So now I'm gonna start to put the concoction on my face. Oh no. Okay, so yeah, a little history on these herbs. Okay, so turmeric is really good for banishing depression and purification and things like that. Cinnamon is also a really great way for banishment and purification, and it boosts your spirits, helps you feel a lot more confident in your own skin. And then also honey is like often associated with the goddess Oshun, and she also is associated with beauty, confidence, stuff like that. So while you're putting on this face mask, I want you to feel good about yourself. I want you to feel like, I'm confident. I'm confident in myself. Like when you put this on, repeat over and over in your mind, I'm confident in myself. I am confident in myself, okay? Okay, so eyebrow looking a little weird, so I washed it off my face, and I can definitely already see a difference. Don't mind my eye. I forgot to wipe off some of my mascara. Okay, but see, makes your skin a lot brighter, and yeah, it lightens your skin tone. Not saying I'm talking about, oh, you better lighten your skin and ashamed of dark skin. Definitely not. But it helps with evening your skin tone. Turmeric helps with evening your skin tone, and honey helps with taking like dirt that's trapped in your pores, it breaks it up and helps with like removing it out of your pores. Cinnamon is also good for your skin because it's good for like acne and things like that. And then also you'll notice when you wipe or when you wash your face or whatever, you'll notice that it feels almost like a scrub. It's like a gentle scrub, so you can like, you know, scrub it in a little bit. So yeah, see, I like how it makes my skin feel. That's why I do it. I need to do it more often, like get back on my self-care every single day thing, okay? But yeah, you see, I love how it makes my skin look and feel. Yes, 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 yes. Okay. Also a suggestion, when you're done putting or getting this stuff off your face, you know, I would suggest using a light oil. I mean, depending on what type of skin you have. I have very naturally like oily skin. So I would suggest using like hibiscus oil. Well, not like if you had like hibiscus, what's it called? Infused oil. I would suggest using that. Grapeseed oil. Rosehip oil, that's an oil I've been using a lot. I love rosehip oil. I mean, any oil you feel like is okay for you, do it. I'm just saying that those are the oils that I like, and the rosehip oil has really been like helping with like clearing up my scars, my acne scars. So yeah, just to let you guys know, my skin is definitely not perfect, but I'm on a journey to have clearer skin, and these are the things that I've been using that's been making my skin a lot clearer. And I also want to do more DIYs to show you the other stuff I've been doing to help with clearing my skin if you're someone that has like bad acne, okay? So yes, but as you can see, this stuff has definitely been helping my skin out, especially when it comes to scars and evening my tone, making my skin look like glowy and stuff like that. Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you like, share, and hit that subscribe button down there. Like I said, I will put all the stuff I used, I'll put in the description, and the herbs, I can tell you where you can get them, because a lot of the times you can't get them like that at like the regular grocery store, so I can tell you where to get that. All right, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and all that good stuff. Check out my EP. Yeah, it's called 11, by the way. So peace.